Alright, we're at Steve's house. Here's his furnace. He has an old GE 100,000 BTU where we'll be replacing the return air drop filter. Gas line, looks like the gas cog is good. Just adapt to new. So our electric. Got some more power coming down there. We'll be getting rid of that, putting in a new one. Actual shut off. Let's get rid of that tap. Line set goes up, over, well, it ends up at that exterior wall. AC sits directly on the outside. No walkout. Stairs, not bad though, straight shot. Breaker is currently a 50 amp square D. There's our floor drain, sits right in front of it.